My name is Dr. Brandon Hubbard, and I'm the Superintendent of Schools in Chilton ISD. This year, the Chilton ISD has taken a new approach to new teacher induction. Starting in June, our new and inexperienced teachers have been invited for a series of 4 instructional development workshops. In Chilton ISD, we believe that our teachers are our biggest resource in making sure that our students are prepared academically. So for that matter, we're investing time and resources to ensure that every teacher is adequately prepared to give our students the educational experience they deserve.
Hi, my name is Lakeisha Black. I'm the Chilton ISD Secondary Assistant Principal. Today we're in our second section of our Summer Splash. What we're doing today is we're giving teachers the essential tools that they need to be successful in the class as far as classroom management, lesson planning, and other resources they'll need for activities that they will implement in their classrooms.
I am Kimberly McKnight. I am the Secondary Principal here in Chilton. Today we are working with our mentor teachers and brand new teachers on the elements and essential pieces of a high quality lesson. We are working with the teachers early, and over the summer, Chilton is going to do even better this year than last year, and that starts in the classroom.
Hello, my name is Gayla Reed, and I'm the Director of Curriculum, Instruction, and Assessments here at Chilton ISD. And today we are meeting with our new teachers to do some onboarding with them. They are coming in and we are really diving deep into our lesson plan, the framework of it, and really what does it look like, what is it going to sound like and feel like in the classroom. And we're also getting to know each other a little bit better because we know as teachers it takes a village, and so we are building that camaraderie and collaborating with each other as we learn in the process. It's a wonderful time of sharing and meeting each other.